Hello friends, today I'm going to unbox my new helmet. It's a SMK Typhoon Rd1 helmet. So let's quickly go ahead and unbox it. I am very much excited about it. Let's see how it is. I had already opened the seal earlier, so you may not see me to just remove the the sellotapes which it had. So this is a bag which you get along with this. I don't know if you can see it. So this is the SMK bag. It's not like a like an XR bag which you can carry on your back. It's just like a regular bag which you get from with LS2 helmets and all. Okay. So yeah, let me just adjust the camera a little bit so that you can get a better view of it. So yeah, this is the helmet, SMK Typhoon Rd1. It has a very nice matte finish. It has green, kind of yellow, orange over here. Okay, and it has anti-fog pin lock. I think pin lock 30 it has. Let me just see. I think it is pin lock 30. I don't see anywhere mentioned here, but anyways, I'll confirm that later. Okay, so the visor is good and it has a locking mechanism also. Okay, this is the first vent on the chin. The head, there is another one, and there is a small vent over here, if you can see. Okay, good spoiler. It is integrated with it. It's not like the regular XR helmets which you have to attach it, which comes separately, but this comes integrated. It has two vents over here. Okay, let's see how the sun visor is. The visor mechanism is here, so you have to push it back to get it down. Okay, this is also pretty neat. Cool. So yeah, this is more or less okay. One more thing is the padding is good. Okay, what you get here is some attachments, one SMK keyring, some things. I don't know what it is. I have to see. Some stickers, I guess. Okay, now coming to this locking mechanism, it comes with a double D ring. Here it is, and this one does not have a button with it. It has a magnet, so that after your strap is fastened, you can just put it over here and it gets the magnet is attached to it. It is not very strong magnet, neither it's a weak magnet. It's a decent magnet. Okay, this is what it is. I have ordered this one from Flipkart, and I got the size which is XL. Okay, and the price point of this helmet is below 5,000. I checked in Flipkart. Sometimes it was more than 4,000, 4,200, 4,100, something like that. But I got it in a deal. It costed me around 3,700, 3,700 for this beautiful helmet. Yeah, this is what it is. I hope this will help you. Thank you.